Welcome back to another episode of
Pokemon Quick Whips.
Today, I did something I've never done before. I manifested something. So, I'm just gonna let the natural video play out.
Bulbasaur, Bulba, Bulba, Bulbasaur, Bulbasaur, Bulba, Bulba.
Who's that Pokemon? It's
Hit the stage like I'm Tarzan. Play like a Tarzan. Break like I'm Tarzan.
Holy moly. Whoa. Dude. I'm so glad I did a quick trick with that earlier. I manifested this. Ooh, a fresh pie. Dude, let's go. Holy moly. I was singing the Bulbasaur song, trying to manifest getting that because I really like the illustration where. And I totally did a Charizard instead. I am not complaining, but holy moly, that's so surprising. Cool. Cool Charizard full art. What the heck? People pay big bucks for Charizards. So, yeah. Anyways, bye.